Hey guys, what's going on? This is Leg. Okay, so for this week, what I'm going to be looking at is we know that the market's kind of like melting up right now. It hits about 15% from its bottom range. So generally, ideally, people usually gauge about 17 to 20%. Now, last time, I know that a lot of people are looking at this right here, over here, and this is what transpired last time. I don't foresee it. I don't foresee it, and based on the reports and stuff like that. Now, when I'm looking at this from a weekly view, this looks very, very bullish to me. Now, once the five start crossing over, you just got to assume that we're probably going to get some tighten up consolidation run, and that run probably could last anywhere between 3 to 4 weeks. It's just sideways candle stacking, something like this before the next. If it breaks here, you got to be bullish on the weekly, definitely on the weekly. Now, I was looking at like this trajectory, and I sent out an alert in the Discord. Now, on the monthly view, this is forming a strong support right here. Candle stack off the 50 EMA. A lot of people are still kind of my perception is it seems like they're hopeful for a crash, blah blah blah. The bears went in hibernating. Now, if we get past this little wick right here, and this is the wick that I'm not paying closely attention to, we won't know until December. Now, as far as the monthly is concerned, if this hammers up to this body of this red, this is one of my 80% move up pattern that it'll test right here. Now, projection wise, when you look at this, is what I was talking about. Now, generally, when I would see this candle on the quarterly, you assume that the crash could have been this year. And I think that a lot of people were still, and it could, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it's impossible. This candle is most likely a downward candle on the quarterly. So there is a possibility that December, remember this candle includes October, November, and December, that we start seeing a drawdown. All right, and it is a possibility. Now, where would I take precautions at? That's a good question. This one right here, you just got to really switch to bears if we ever get below 377. If we ever, right, because it'll be a red candle, and it'll definitely draw down to this right here, this red line again, which is about 337. Could be lower, all the way lower. Now, just keep that in mind. That's what now. As far as the weekly is concerned, we've been having like a monster run this month. I've been trading conservative around this range. So a lot most of my trading, now I'm up for the month, but it's kind of been trading within range. What I expect for this week is a small kind of volatility, and we could have a little dip the following week. Now, the following week is going to be real volatile with trade delegates. Probably you're going to hear traders having optimism that a resolution will occur, just because Trump and stuff like that. Now, the only drawback was Biden brought back a lot of the things with Trump because of the agreement wasn't held on China's part. So, but for the most part, I do see China momentum run China sector as the most easiest, maybe the easiest sector to kind of swing. Now, since I don't expect a huge volatile movement this week, usually my option selection will be a little bit further out, just so that in case something is wrong, I could rectify it as soon as possible. I think a lot of people are looking for a test here around this 404-200 level. I can't see it breaking all the way to 406.50, then falling back down. We won't know till Monday, so I'm gonna put 406 right here, 59. So update this to 406.59. If it is, I would say that if it breaks through here, we have a clean shot. 16.25. If that scenario, this is the ultimate optimism. I mean, if it gets all the way up there, I highly doubt it. We have industrial reports, I think, that midweek, and we also have retail midweek. I can't see industrial and housing numbers coming up weak with retail numbers coming up pretty strong. Remember, we're in a holiday kind of season too, so the number would be October and stuff like that. People probably be early shopping and stuff like that, accumulating stuff like that on sales. Anybody have any? If anybody want want to know, I put this line right here at 390. And this is a good spot for me to kind of just raise my radar. Hey, look, it is pulling back right here. Is it settled? And then this week, I won't know until midweek. What do I see this week? Tuesday should be the easiest trading day of the week, in my opinion. The market at least needs a 1.5 day pullback at minimum, a 1.5 day pullback. Now, do I see a repeat of last week? No, definitely not. Where Wednesday, Thursday, Friday just kind of was an uptrend rally. Now, I'm more leaning towards possible weakness midweek this week. And Friday will be up to grabs. I'm not sure. Okay. All right, guys. That's pretty much all I have. And have a great rest of your day.